Hey guys, how's it going? We just arrived at Trillium Park. You can see behind me here. There's a couple people here already, and we're about to do some Raptor 2 demos, let some people try out the boards. Yeah, can't wait to see what people think. And straight after that, we're gonna go for a group ride all the way down the lakefront trail, and then up like another river trail towards the kind of east side of the city. The total trip distance is about 20 kilometers, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Let's go.
I'm only on a layover here in Toronto.
Oh yeah? Oh, you're from Amsterdam?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Vern.
Toronto. That's nice.
Right?
I like that.
I just like
layover?
saw that yesterday on like Instagram, and I was like,
dude, we're gonna have a big turnout. I feel like.
Such a wide variety of boards.
Is there anywhere, like, do you think there's anywhere on the way that I can buy sunglasses? We're recovering, still going at it.
they have a hub motor, right?
Yeah.
Man, how does that work? I don't get it.
Yeah, it's great to be here. Many of you guys probably would never guess this, but Toronto is actually my hometown. I was born here. So these motors, they're the new production motors. Unfortunately.
And what software tool are you guys running for this?
We've got our own custom tool. Yeah. So
And onboard app as well?
yeah.
You know, this is a nice ESC. It's really nice because you have the dual Unity, so it makes it nice and small. And
What's dual Unity mean?
You have two ESCs, one controller, so you don't need a cable.
So this powers two motors, basically. Yeah, most of them
one ESC per motor.
Yes.
Does that work? Oh,
So in the Benjamin Vetter one, you have two boxes, one for each.
You've tried the Raptor before, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What do you think?
Very incredibly smooth.
The acceleration, yeah, I tried, but it's like so insane to me. Like, the acceleration just so good.
Yeah, nice man.
It was awesome, man. That was a lot of fun.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I've never tried one, so it was different. Going from the one wheel to the.
Oh yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
So the R-Spec mode, is awesome.
Yeah.
It's a blast.
It's very, very different, right?
It's very different. I found I had to like letting go of the throttle, just being ready for that a little bit. Very comfortable. The wheels were like super grippy around the corners.
Okay, cool.
The brakes were like surprisingly gentle. Like I was expecting it to hurl me off the front. No, not even close. Are these like the new motors?
Yeah, these are the new ones.
I keep telling you, it's
them.
locked in.
Right on. The tail was kind of nice, like when I stopped. The acceleration's nice.
Yeah.
It's smooth.
Really powerful.
Yeah.
I tried doing the R-Spec. It's like so much kick.
Oh, it's good uphill. That's actually good.
Hear of like what it's like from the standstill.
That's smooth, eh?
Yeah.
You can tell I'm a bit heavier than you, eh?
That's nice though.
Real nice. That one's nicer than that one for sure.
Yeah, the new motors.
The motors, they're smoother, but that super smooth acceleration, especially going up that hill, I can't get over that.
Yeah, cool.
That's insane.
Nice.
Absolutely
Glad you
insane,
like
man.
it.
Thank you. I might. You want the balance? Damn. Yeah, now I think I'm gonna have to place my order again. Son of a bitch. I've rode lots of hub motors and nothing as powerful as that. That's absolutely blows my mind.
I mean, you know, you can just do exercises. I get my reps in. It's gonna include a Vegemite sandwich. No? You got Vegemite pizza coming?
Yeah, it's all Vegemite pizza. Alright, we're just about to start the group ride. Check this out.
How much?
very good turnout, Toronto. Very good. Check that out. Okay guys, we just finished the group ride, the Toronto group ride. Finished up here in Queen's Park. We'll see you on the next one, which will be Montreal. So, yeah.